Cfmoto has announced a striking new limited edition model of its 450 SR, the Aspar Replica, to celebrate the brand's monumental success in the 2024 Moto3 World Championship. This special release honors the Cfmoto Aspar team for achieving the Moto3 Triple Crown, taking home the rider, team, and manufacturer titles. With only 451 units planned for production, this commemorative motorcycle is already generating buzz as a future collector's item. At the core of Cfmoto's Moto3 success is young Colombian star David Alonso, who delivered an outstanding performance throughout the season with 14 race wins, breaking Valentino Rossi's 1997 record of 11 victories in a single Moto3 season. His championship, along with the team and constructor titles, marked an unforgettable year for the Chinese manufacturer and solidified its place in the racing world. The 450 SR itself is the sportiest bike in Cfmoto's 450 platform, which also includes naked, cruiser, and adventure variants. With its 46 horsepower engine, it offers a refined balance of agility, power, and sharp handling. The Aspar Replica builds upon this performance foundation with visual and functional upgrades such as a race-inspired livery, non-folding CNC-machined rear sets, a tinted windscreen, and a numbered top clamp, each unit marked to highlight its exclusivity within the limited run. This special edition isn't just about looks. It reflects Cfmoto's deep commitment to high-performance engineering and motorsport innovation. The Aspar Replica provides both an emotional connection to the team's historic racing success and a tangible upgrade in ride quality and style. While official availability outside France remains unconfirmed, the Aspar Replica has been priced at €7,199 in the French market, around €700 more than the standard 450 SR. For fans of Moto3, Cfmoto, or limited edition motorcycles, this bike presents a rare opportunity to own a piece of modern racing history. With its limited numbers, premium features, and symbolic importance, the Cfmoto 450 SR Aspar Replica is more than just a motorcycle. It's a tribute to passion, performance, and Moto3 excellence.